What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jaxx. Happy Monday and a new Airbnb. Every month I switch. Sometimes I get tired of switching Airbnbs every month, packing my bags, but then I remember I have an incredible life. So we're sitting at 0.0255. We're up 8.75 on the day. See, market cap 661 million, 24 volume 131 million. So let's hop into the charts. So I still think that we could potentially push to the upside. You could look at an ascending triangle just like this. We do have bearish divergences though. So if we can break out of this ascending triangle, we can push up to that wave 3 target. If you take a trend-based wave extension from the bottom of the wave 1 up to the top, that's the bottom of your wave 2. You would target the 1.618 at 0.03374. So if we break that resistance, then we could push up. If we get rejected, we roll over, especially if we lose the support of the ascending triangle. Then we have a triple top pattern, and we could see a larger pullback. But if we're going to continue to follow this wave count and Bitcoin ends up putting in a higher high, then you can definitely see that breakout for our friend Gala'S. Looking at the daily chart, we are printing a bearish divergence. On the RSI, we'll quickly open up the money flow. Yeah, money's flowing out as well. So pullback could happen at any time, but if we do push up, then we can push up to TP2, and that will be 100% gain from our entry. Signals $10 a month. Yeah, nice little 100% gain on that trade. So we'll see if we can push up to that target. If we do roll over and see a deeper pullback, then what you'd have to look at is that that's your wave 1 to the upside complete, wave 2 pullback, and then boom, push up. Continue to push up in our trade there. 20 EMAs catching up to the candles. So if Bitcoin puts in that higher high, then I would expect Gala'S to see that breakout. And as mentioned, if we lose that support there, then we could see a larger pullback. My signals are $10 a month. Make sure to sign up to Bitfinex. No KYC, no VPN. For my US Canadian traders who are looking for exchange, my subscribers only not only get a 20%. My subscribers only get a 20% bonus into their futures account. So if you deposit $1,000, that's $200 completely free to trade with. $100, $20 completely free to trade with. Right now, going until December 1st, you can win AirPod Pro, AirPod Pro Max if you reach the trading volume. In that time, all information is in the description. You can click the links as well as links in the comment section. And then my Discord is $10 a month. Sign up to the Patreon, daily crypto analysis, my exact trade setups, crypto news, member profits, how to alt plays, Forex signals, Forex analysis. We're killing it on silver. Gave another entry for the pullback. We just crushed on US oil. USD JPY just crossed our entry. So not only are we trading crypto, but we're also trading Forex, all for $10 a month. You really can't beat it. All links down below. Go check them out. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. And I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.